Converging IT with OT opens up the future of manufacturing. As a CISO, my goal is to make the future possible and secure. As a plant manager, what I care about is keeping the production line running. As a security practitioner, I need to stay on top of an ever-increasing volume of threats. That's why we trust Palo Alto networks for OT security across our manufacturing facilities. Here, keeping our systems up and running, preventing attacks with real-world impacts, and streamlining operations are always top of mind. Let me show you why. Zero Trust OT security gives me comprehensive visibility. Thank you. Device ID, user ID, and app ID manage policies for assets, users, applications, and OT protocols in our environment, so I can see everything. 5G native security means I can also see, understand, and protect cellular connected devices, so no communication is invisible. And with AI, ML, and crowdsourced telemetry, I can automatically surface and mitigate suspicious activity before a threat throws a wrench in the works. Because I can manage security at an asset level, I can create context-aware segmentation policies, bringing the benefits of zero trust to the shop floor without compromising uptime. With advanced threat prevention, I can detect attacks in real time, prevent threats at the network and application layer, and protect legacy assets from exploits, keeping our assets and our enterprise secure. That way, we can handle even today's sophisticated threats. The best part is, I don't have to spend my time managing yet another dashboard from a different solution. I can do it all here in Strata Cloud Manager, an AI-powered zero trust management and operations solution that lets me configure and manage security policies across all form factors, including next-gen firewalls, SASE, and security services. As a security practitioner, I can respond to threats in seconds rather than days or weeks. As a plant manager, I know the OT systems are going to stay secure and operational. As a CISO, I can tell the board to dream big. The future's safe, no matter what it throws at us.